everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Friday to everybody. On my last video, I shared with you guys a haul from scrapbook.com, and it was the Doodlebug collection. Today, I want to share with you another scrapbook.com haul. It came together with the Doodlebug, and I thought I'd show separately because it's a few things. And this is the Gal Meets Glam by My Mind's Eye. It's super pretty, you guys. And I know some of you guys have found this on Peachy Cheap. I missed out on it the first time around. It was on Peachy Cheap. And I believe that came with a 6x6 paper pad. And so I went to scrapbook.com since I was ordering. But when it did go on Peachy Cheap, I just happened to check at the right time and they had it, and it was such a great deal that I had to grab it as well, because I realized this paper accessory kit, it only comes with 6 sheets of the 12 by 12 double-sided paper, and it does come with the sticker. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys in a minute. Aside from the accessory kit, I also picked up the chipboard stickers, and so I'll be showing you guys this. And also I did pick up the decorative brads as well as the mixed bag or the ephemera pack. So let me go ahead and take this out of the package and show you guys. This is the paper and accessory kit. It basically comes with just 6 designs on it, and so let me just share with you guys. So on Peachy Cheap, it does they do give you the 12 designs. I'm not sure if it's 12 designs, but they do give you 12 by 12. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? It's so beautiful. And I absolutely love the colors and the fact that it has a lot of gold foiling. And look at the details, the little heart shape on the glasses, the eyelashes. Then you have this, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, pretty papers. And then you have the words with, again, the little gold accents and the lips, which are cute. You have this nice background paper here, and as well as this one. And that's it on the kit. Of course, you get the 25 stickers, and these are with foil accents as well. And they are just cardstock stickers, so super pretty, as you guys can see. These are the 45 chipboard elements with gold accents, and they are just gorgeous. And you get 2. So here's the other. We also have the 24 decorative brads, and they are also beautiful, and they come, some of them come with the banners. This one is a car, and look at all those pretty brads. They are just gorgeous. I love every single one of them. And lastly, we have the 60 count mixed bag with gold foil accents, and these are the ephemera pieces that I will share with you guys. So let's go ahead and just put this here, and I can share it with you a little better. And I'm gonna stop talking now and just play some music for you guys so that I can show you all the different pieces. And that's it for the Gal Meets Glam by My Mind's Eye. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!